Hello everyone, welcome to Sifton YouTube channel where we connect live with our lovely YouTube kids. I hope you all are fine. Thank you so much for giving such a great response to the first episode of Mathy Magic. So here we come up with the second episode. Before that, let me tell you something about the platform Swiftlin. So Swiftlin is an online platform where we offer 100% live and interactive class. Here the teacher is present live in front of you and will teach you there and then. Not only that, we have a personalized attention batch with maximum of 6 students. Yes, we don't have a bigger, large amount of groups, but we keep it limited to maximum of 6 students. Here, not only the teacher, but there is a academic mentor team that keeps a track of your student progress, your classwork, your homework, your assessment, and everything is tracked not by the teachers, also by the academic mentor team. So they are also taking care of your child's responses and the improvement part. Isn't that great? Yes, and that is why it's known as India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1st to 10th. Yes, we teach from grades 1st to 10th. So each one of you who fall under this category of 1st to 10th, what are you waiting for? Book a free trial class right away at the platform, none other than Swiftlin. So here we start with our episode number 2, so session 2 of Mathy Magic. It's a series to explore mathematical skills. I hope you all have seen the session 1 because it's every session is related. So if you are not watching the first one, it's really very difficult for you to understand. The level of difficulty will increase. The linking is done in each and every episode. So the first session is really very important to understand what are we going to do in the second session. So I hope you all have seen that. So let's start our session number 2. So in session 1, we have learned addition of double numbers as well as side-by-side numbers. Now in this episode, we will learn addition, but of 2 other categories. One of them is the sum of invisible numbers. So what is invisible numbers? All right, let's see that. And the next one is naughty 9. What is naughty 9? What is the number naughty all about? So don't worry, we'll tell you, and this will help you in solve addition questions. So here we begin with the first category that says sum of invisible numbers. First of all, what is invisible? That you cannot see, right? So in this sums, when we say that you know to add the numbers which are not visible, how is that possible? Let's see. Okay, so here when we talk about a number line, first of all, let me discuss that. So when we talk about a number line, we know all the numbers are there, right? So if I say it's 3, then it will be 4 and it will be 5. All right. Now, invisible numbers here stand for skipping the number. So if I say 3 plus 5, so what has happened? I'm adding this number and the number skipping 4 and adding the next number. So whenever is the number given in such a way that you are skipping one on the number line. So that means which number are you skipping? Number 4. So here the number 4 becomes the invisible number. So you can't see 3 plus 5, but you are skipping the 4 or you can't see. So what is the sum of 3 plus 5? That is 8. How do you get that? See, invisible number is 4. The first step is to identify, first of all, which is the invisible number. Second step is to make its double. And we know the double of 4 is 8. And that is your answer. Simple as that. So whenever numbers are given to you, you need to identify, is there in a form that a number is being skipped? If that is there, the number, the skipped number or the invisible number, just make the double and that would be your answer. Let's try another one. एक और question देखते हैं. Next one. The next question says 7 plus 9. So 7 plus 9 के बीच में invisible number कौन सा हुआ? 8, right? And what's the double of 8? 16. And that's your answer. Isn't that easy now? Yes, it is. Let's try another one. 11 plus 13. So which number is missing? 12. And what's the double of 12? 24. We all know the double of 2 is 4. The double of 1 is 2. That we have done in session 1, episode number 1. If you haven't seen it, just go and watch that. That will help you to understand the pattern. And these questions, solving them would be a little more easier. All right. Let's try another one that says 113. 113 plus 115. How about when the question becomes bigger? Still also this technique is applicable? Yes, it is. The visible number or the skipping number is 114. So just double it. So double of this means adding again 114. So what is it? 822. And that is Your answer. Isn't that easy? Yes. Let's try another one. That says 336, 338. That means 337 is a double number. We need to find this because this is the invisible number. इसमें missing कौन सा है? 337 ही है. Right? So अब double करते हैं. 7 का double क्या होता है? 14. 1 carry. 3 का double 6. 6 plus 1 7. 3 का double 6. So the answer would be 674. Isn't this calculation easy and you can solve it in fraction of seconds? Yes, it is. Otherwise, अगर वैसे करोगे तो आप पहले तो नंबर लिखोगे 336, फिर आप लिखोगे 338, उसके बाद 8 + 6 14 और ऐसे ऐसे करके आप कैलकुलेशन करोगे. तो इसमें जब आपको नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं कि नंबर एक असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में भी हो, सपोज नंबर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में दिया हुआ है. Suppose it says that the number is 6 + 4. So तभी भी मुझे पता है इसमें मिसिंग क्या है, 5 ही है ना. तो 5 का डबल क्या होता है? 10. तो मेरा आंसर 10 हो गया. सिंपल. तो हमें ये देखना है कि दोनों नंबर्स के बीच का नंबर कौन सा है, उसको डबल करना है और वो आपका उसके सम का आंसर होगा. Alright, so that is how you need to solve the sum of invisible numbers or the skipping a number. So whenever some questions are like this, you can solve it quickly and give the answers in fraction of seconds. Let's move to the next category that is for today is naughty 9. अब naughty 9 क्या होता है? एक नंबर है 9, he is very naughty. वो क्या करता है? लोगों से एक चीज ग्रैब करता है, दूसरे को दे देता है. Alright, और दूसरे से एक चीज एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा है तो एक से निकाल रहा है. Simple as that. So let's see how does this naughty 9 works in addition. एडिशन के अंदर ये naughty 9 कैसे वर्क करता है अगर हमें ऐड करना है या सम निकालना. सो naughty 9 क्या करता है? टेंथ प्लेस में क्या करता है? जो भी डिजिट है उसमें +1 कर देता है और वंस प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट है उसमें -1 कर देता है. लेट्स सी दैट. Okay, so 10th place is 1. 1 + 1, 2. And 5 - 1, 4. That's 15 + 9 gives us 24. That's your answer. Isn't that easy? Let's try it. 29 + 9. So 10th place में क्या करता है वो? +1. So 2 + 1 क्या हो जाएगा? 3. And 9 - 1 बन जाएगा 8. So the answer should be 38. Is it right? Let's see everyone. See, that's right. Let's move to next one. It says 54 + 9. So क्या होगा 54 + 9? 5 क्या बन जाएगा? 6. 4 क्या बन जाएगा? 3. So that will become 63. Very good. Let's try the another one. 82. So 82, 10th place, we add +1. So that becomes 9. And in one's place, we subtract 1. So 2 - 1 becomes 1. So the answer should be 91. So let's see the trick that we are learning. Is it right or not? Yes, that is. So that's what the work of naughty 9 is. Very simple. That what does it do? In 10th place, it adds 1. All right. And in the ones place, it subtracts 1 number. So एक number add करके 10th place में लिखोगे तो उसका आंसर आ जाएगा. एक number subtract करोगे तो ones place में subtract करना है तो आंसर आ जाएगा. तो simple क्या है? जब हम add कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहला काम क्या करता है वो? 10th place में add ही करता है. 10th में क्या करता है? ऐड करता है. और दूसरा उसका वर्क है जब वंस प्लेस पे आते हैं तब वो 1 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करता है. I hope it's clear. Yeah, so just practice this naughty 9 tricks with your friends. Tell them to give us any number that you think of and just keep on doing it and give them answers in fraction of seconds. So 9 से जो finger counting करनी पड़ती है वो सबसे easy हो जाएगी. Isn't that easy now? Yes, it is. So today we were able to understand 2 of the tricks. That was invisible line and the another was naughty 9. So invisible numbers and naughty 9. So here are some questions that you need to practice. Quickly do that and then give me the answers in the comment box. Looking forward to your response. I hope you all like this session. And if you really did and you want more updates or sessions चाहिए और regularly उसकी list चाहिए और कैसे कैसे sessions के आगे हम बढ़ते रहेंगे. आज हमने edition करा है. अब edition में भी कितने variety of questions है. So far we have done 4 of them. अब जब questions बड़े होते हैं दूसरे variety होते हैं तब हम कौन सी tricks apply करते हैं. If you want to know that, then stay tuned with us. Just subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon so that you never miss any update. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.